Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can type over the line in the Word, in Microsoft Word. So let's start the video, and at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so this is my Microsoft Word applications, and I'm going to show you two methods that you can use as per your requirement. Okay, so just make it normal size. Okay, so this is my margin. Let me fix my margin first. Okay, so first method, if I type your age, okay, yeah, underscore, if I type the underscore like this, okay, this is my line, and if I try to type any numbers here, you can see there is a gap between the numbers. Okay, so what you can do, you just type your numbers, whatever you have numbers, okay, and just select that data like this, or you can select all line and go to this text options here and choose that underline. Okay, now you can see this text has been insert the underline. Okay, and the next method, you can use line. Okay, like go to the draw, go to the insert, here go to the shape, here select the normal line. Okay, now hit the control shift button on your keyboard, hit the shift button and hold it, enter the shift button and hold it, and now you need to drag that line. Okay, take line, okay, how much you want, just keep the lane whatever as per your needs, and just release it. After done, you can increase that line color. You can also change that width from here. Okay, now here just keep the cursor. Okay, just hit the space and write your answer. Okay, like this. And the next method is show you. Let me delete that line. Okay, the next method is simply hit the underscore. Okay, by by clicking shift plus underscore, and line will be create. Now keep the cursor where you want that your answer or contain. Now go here in insert, in text box, go to the draw text box, and here you have to write the text box like this. Okay, now we have created text box. Now here in shape format, double click on text box, then this shape format will be open. Now go to the shape fill, click on no fill, shape outer, select the no outline. Now write your answer whatever you have. You can change the size like this, so we can change like this. Now just make sure this icon visible, then click and hold and drag this text on the line. Okay, so this is a useful methods that you can use. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.